Hello everyone. Today let's learn the story of the golden egg. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer and his wife. They owned a goose, but it was not just any goose. Every morning, the goose would lay a golden egg. The farmer and his wife were thrilled, for they had never seen anything so precious. The golden egg was worth more than they could ever have imagined, and with it, they began to live a more comfortable life. Each day, the farmer would wake up, run to the goose, and find a shiny golden egg waiting for him. He would sell the egg in the market, and the money from the sale was enough to buy them food, clothes, and other necessities. Soon they had more than enough to live a decent and content life. But as the days went by, the farmer and his wife grew and greedy. We are so lucky, said the farmer to his wife. But imagine if we had all the golden eggs at once, we could be richer than kings. The wife agreed. Why wait for one golden egg a day when we could have all them right now? If we get rid of the goose, we could have a fortune right away. The farmer, driven by greed, decided to act. He reasoned that if he could cut open the goose, he could find all the golden eggs it had been laying inside. Without thinking about the consequences, he took his knife and killed the goose. When he opened the goose, however, he found nothing inside. No golden eggs, no riches, just a dead goose. The farmer and his wife were devastated. They had acted in haste, and now their source of wealth was gone. Without the goose, they no longer had any golden eggs. They went back to their old poor life, realizing too late that their greed had cost them everything. If only they had been patient and thankful for what they had already had. Moral of the story: greed can lead to losing everything. Sometimes, what we already have is more than enough if we learn to